Curious how electronics work? Ready to build your own circuits, even as a complete beginner? Let's start. Hi, I'm Ashraf from the Educational Engineering team. With years of experience simplifying complex engineering concepts, I have helped thousands of beginners take their first confident steps into electronics. My team and I specialize in making learning practical, engaging, and absolutely beginner-friendly. In this course, you'll discover, the basics of electricity, voltage, current, resistance, and Ohm's law, how to safely use essential tools like multimeters and soldering kits, the most common electronic components from LEDs to transistors, and of course, how to read schematics, build circuits, and set up your own electronics lab. By the end, you'll build simple circuits, understand real devices, and start your journey into Arduino, robotics, and creative electronics projects. Ready to spark your creativity and master electronics from scratch? Click the link and enroll today. Let's start building your future, one connection at a time.